In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically adjust cells as you type on Excel. When you're working in Excel, it can be really annoying when your text gets cut off or hidden because the column or row is too small. You end up constantly dragging the borders to resize things, which slows you down and breaks your focus. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set things up so that your cells resize themselves for you, keeping everything clean and readable as you work. First, open your Excel workbook and make sure you're on the worksheet you want to format. Take a quick look at your data and decide which areas usually give you trouble. It's often text-heavy columns, like comments, descriptions, or notes that need more space as you type. Start by selecting the cells, columns, or rows that you want to adjust automatically. You can click a single column letter at the top to select that entire column, or click and drag across multiple column letters if you want several columns to behave the same way. The same idea works for rows. Click the row numbers on the left to select one or many. Now, let's turn on automatic width. Move your mouse to the right edge of a selected column header until the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow. Instead of dragging, double-click. Excel will instantly resize that column to fit the longest entry in it. Do the same for any other columns you want. This is called AutoFit column width, and it's the foundation of getting cells to adjust as you type, because Excel will keep adapting as you add more content. Next, let's handle height and wrapping so multiple lines of text are visible. With your cells still selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Wrap Text. This tells Excel to keep text inside the cell and move it to a new line within that same cell, instead of spilling over. After turning on Wrap Text, you can auto-fit the row height as well. Move your cursor to the bottom edge of a row number and double-click. Excel will expand the row so every line of wrapped text is visible. From here on, as you continue to type more content into those cells, Excel will automatically adjust the height of the rows and keep the text wrapped neatly, so you can always read everything without manual resizing. And that's it. By combining AutoFit and Wrap Text, you've set up your sheet so cells stay readable and professional looking, all on their own, while you focus on your actual work.